How to use Sweatcoin app and earn money. So if you want to use Sweatcoin app and earn money, then first of all you need to open up your Sweatcoin application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now inside the application, you just need to simply tap on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, and you'll be able to see all of your assets along with total steps you've taken. If I scroll down a bit on home page, you can see that there is a section called daily rewards. Simply log in every day and get these free rewards daily. You can also try spinning the wheel to multiply your rewards, or just refer a friend and get instant sweat coins. You can see there are some offers available at the bottom. So there are multiple sources through which you can earn money on Sweatcoin. You can also earn by counting your indoor steps. To do that, simply tap on the Activate Now button at the top right. And in order to cash out these Sweatcoins, simply tap on the shop icon, which will be on the bottom left. Tap on the shop icon and select any offer you like. After that, swipe the bar. For example, I'll be choosing this one, and you'll get the coupon code, and you just need to simply copy the coupon code and go to the website and check out and confirm the purchase. That's how you can use your Sweatcoin app and earn money. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.